In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a holiday pay in QuickBooks Time. So the first thing you have to do is create a holiday time off code. Now to do this, you want to go to over here on the left, and where it says feature add-ons, you want to click on it, and you want to click on where it says time off codes. Now over here, of course, you'll see a bunch of different ones if you have them. For me, I do. I'm just going to click add new over here, and then what you want to do is basically create a new time off code, and you can name it something like holiday pay or something similar. So I'm going to name this one holiday pay over here, and then of course you want to select paid as the type over here, and then you can assign this to individuals or groups. Okay, so here you can basically choose who receives the code and then click on the save button. So I'm going to click on here, and I'm just going to basically wait for this to load up like that. There we go, and I'm just going to basically put it to all the groups over here. Okay, now whenever you do this, you can click on OK and then save, and that's the first thing you have to do. Okay, so the first step is now done, and the second thing we're going to do is basically add holiday hours to timesheets. So to do this, what you want to do is go to time off over here on the left, and then from here you want to basically manage this. Okay, so then click on time off. You want to go and basically create a new timesheet, or just click on add time off over here, and then you basically have to select the members. I'm just going to do it for this demo person over here, which is Amy. So I'm going to click on that, click on continue. And then from here, you're basically going to have to select the code. So the code is going to be the exact one we just created, so holiday pay. And then here, of course, you want to select the date as well, and then the amount of hours. So I'm just going to basically put in like date, it's going to be this day, and then I'm going to do the next day as well for 8 hours. So it's like a 2-day holiday over here. And of course, you can add multiple if you want to, and then change the holiday hours over here as well. Now, whenever you've done that, you can just click on the save button, and that's essentially how you achieve this. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.